Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny. Foodybite's apps inside today need to developing this here the category horizontal list. We need to develop here. First of all, making here the sections bars. We need to use here. Need to copy here the section bars and we need to paste this here. Now need to change this here the name category and we need to set here the 9. Save here and look like this here the show. Go and to fix this here the vertical set and fix this here the issue. And also need to go home tabs and this here the heights vertical set here to let this show. Now this is are the setting here the paddings and configures. Again, so need to copy this line of codes, set here and need to set here the pix, set here the 30% and this height of. Remove this here the row, no need, so need to create here the containers, create here the decorations, box decorations, set here the color. Need to go inside here the this row and to need this here the box decorations. You need to paste here like here, save here and need to set here the width. Need to configure this here the same width and show like this here the box for categories. Now this UI are done and now need to draw here the cell. Need to create here, maybe decrease this here 29 to 28, also here 28, look like this here 30. Like this we need to drawing here the box we need to create. Now we need to create here the category cell dot dots, create here the state less category cell and material dependency. Now need to go inside the home and we need to copy these containers and need to paste here. Now need to write down here the final map object final void callback on trace event, create here and give this here the parameters, save here. Again so need to copy and to change this here this line of code category cell. Need to set here the objects, write down here blank on trace event like here first, save here. Now show like this here. Now we need to needs here the set first of all the bottom inside the image, then after gradient layers and then after above need to set this here the titles. Now we need to go here the category cells, we need to making here child stack children's and alignments set here dot center, create here the image assets, copy here the category image, need to put here first of all, set here and need to find out here the copy relative path, paste this here, set here the width, we need to configure this here the width of these containers and also set here the height. Same. Set here the width, box width, cover like here's, and need to also clip or rect. We need to set these widgets for here. Wrap with widgets, clip or rect. Create here the border radius. We need to copy above here, paste this here, save here, and look like this here the showing here. Look like these settings here the configures, maybe need to issue with here the image. Set here the second image. Look like this show. Now this is are the configurations for the image. Now need to create here the containers again. So need to copy here, maybe remove here the height, double dot max bit, copy, paste here. Look like this short, and to fix this here the issue, need to copy again these containers, set here this here these containers, remove here the color, remove here the box shadow, set here the gradient, linear gradients, and we need to set here the color, the color dot red, green, and also need to set this here the begin alignment geometrics, alignment dot bottom center, and end alignment top center. Like this configures and show like this here the UI. Now we need to set here the alpha. We need to fix this here the alpha issue or this controllers. Go here, need to copy, set here, and need to set here the opacity with opacity this here const at this here 50, paste this here, save here, copy, and now we need to go inside the category cells, replace with here, and show like this here this UI. Maybe it needs here to increase this here for 80%. Similar to designs, we need to creating like this here the UI. Maybe to settings. Maybe delete this here category cell. Yeah, and we need to create here opacity and set here city 65 and show like here's need to increase here's, save here's, and show like this here the UI and to creating here's. Now need to draw inside center here the text, create here the padding horizontal, need to set here the 15, set here the text Italian, set here the style text styles, set here the color, color white colors, Font size need to set here the 17, maybe set here the 20, and font weight set here the 700. Show like this years. Show here this Italian text like here into 22. Show this code for the category list. For this UI, we need to configurations are the done. If you change here the colors for the UI, need to dynamic creates of the API calls, need to create here the dynamic colors, need to set here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.